Dear students, in this video, we will be discussing about a very important concept and very technical concept, that is how to select a suitable exchange rate. So first of all, what is an exchange rate? An exchange rate is the rate at which one country's currency can be exchanged with another country's currency. You often see that the currencies of two countries are given according to a rate, and sometimes the rate is called the spot rate, and sometimes the rate that is quoted is forward rate. So first of all, what is the difference between spot rate and forward rate? A spot rate is used when you have to purchase or sell currency immediately. For example, if you want to buy a foreign currency now today, then usually the rate would be as of spot rate. And if you have to deal in foreign currency, say suppose in 3 months time or 6 months time, or you want to agree today, then the buying or selling is deferred for a period of time, and the rate that would be quoted is a forward rate for future buy or sell. Now, in any country or in any market, the rates that are being quoted can be classified as indirect quote or direct quote. In this video, we'll be discussing about what is indirect quote. So, in indirect quote, and the countries in which the exchange rates are quoted as indirect quote, the characteristics of indirect quote is that the local currency, that is the home currency or the domestic currency, will be given in one unit, and the foreign currency will be given as a rate. So for example, assuming our home currency is pound sterling GBP, uh, and foreign currency is USD. So this rate is being given as 1 GBP, that is 1 unit is in your local currency. So that means the rate that has been quoted is called indirect quote. Why the quotation is important? Because you have to identify the bid rate and the offered rate according to the indirect or direct quote. So for example, if you want to buy or sell currency now, a spot rate has been given, but the problem is that the spot rate, there are two rates. One is obviously a buying rate and other is obviously a selling rate, because the bank usually earn premium by the difference of these buying and selling rate, as the currency is being quoted as one local currency unit. So it's an indirect quote. So now how to decide about what is the bid rate and what is the offer rate? Bid rate means the purchasing rate and offer rate means the selling rate. So what is the buying rate and what is the offer rate? So think about from the perspective of a bank, that what would be the bank's buying rate and what would be the bank selling rate. Now in case of indirect quote, learn this rule that would help you to decide easily about the bid and offer rate. In indirect quote, remember this is for indirect quote, bank always sell low and buy high. Banks sell low and buy high. That means the offer rate would be a lower rate and the bid rate would be a higher rate. So in this example, as this is a lower rate and this is a higher rate, so we can say that this is bank's bid rate or the buying rate, and this is the bank's offer rate or selling rate. So when bank has to sell foreign currency, the rate would be 1.3050, and when bank has to buy foreign currency, the rate would be 1.3095. Now let's see this example. If a company has to pay in a foreign currency, for example payment in USD, that means that company want to buy USD. So if company want to buy USD, bank has to sell USD. So according to the rule, the bank would quote the rate of the lower side, that is the rate of 1.3050. Similarly, if a company is expecting receipt in USD or have dollars or foreign currency, the company want to sell USD, so bank would be buying that currency, foreign currency, and the rate as per the rule is bank buy high. So the higher rate is 1.3095. Remember that the mechanism is bit different. where we compare with the direct quote, or you can say that the rule is reverse in indirect quote. When bank uses the lower rate as a selling rate, this is beneficial for bank, and when bank is using a higher rate as a bid rate, it is always beneficial for the bank. So if you want to watch such kind of videos related to all other topics, you can join our YouTube channel and subscribe for future videos and um further informative videos related to your qualification like ACCA, SEMA, and other stuffs. You can find lots of topics on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.